Alright guys, so today is the day we're going to pull this motor out of this car. I've got this engine hoist ready to go. I just got to find a place to mount the chain. I think I'm going to use like right here for the front since the head's off. That's what I'll do. And I've got this drop, so I'm going to try to do this without having to pull the hood. So I don't want to have to deal with lining that back up, but I did this. I can't pull this out of the way because I don't want to lose my charge on my AC unit. So what I'm going to do from here is kind of block this up so I can get the engine hoist legs up under there and get the hoist close as I can to the motor itself, so I can just pull the transmission and the motor at the same time without pulling the hood. But if I have to pull the hood, then so be it. But here goes everything. I'm gonna try to set y'all up so y'all can watch how I do this, and if you have to do it yourself. So. And there she is. There's the motor. It's out. It's a good thing I went ahead and bought some motor mounts because those were toast, along with the ones that are on the transmission as well. They're toast. So it's one heck of a contraption. But so yeah, here it is. It's empty hole now. So I'm just gonna clean everything up and redo this, and get ready to put the other motor back in. So just drop this thing down, get ready to put it on an engine stand, pull this transmission, put this transmission on the other motor, check the transmission out first. Hoping the clutch isn't fried, but have a feeling it may be. So here we are. We got the motor out. What we're going to do is kind of just go over everything, start pulling these mounts and everything off. Motor mounts here, the AC compressor mount. We're going to pull all this off of this old motor. The alternator, tensioner pulley, and another tensioner pulley here. I'm going to go ahead and pull all the accessories off. And once I've got all that off, set to the side where it needs to go, I'm going to pull this transmission, separate the transmission from the block, and you know, go through the clutches and everything, make sure everything looks okay there. I've got to find out what type of fluid this transmission takes, because it has obviously been leaking from this seal. I'm going to look into replacing that seal, because I don't want any, once I'm done with this, I don't want anything leaking. I want it to be, you know, as pristine as it can be. Of course, I'll clean all this up. I'll do some pressure washing on it and get it real nice and clean, but I definitely want to find out about this seal, how to replace it. I hope it's not a big job, because I never really broke into a manual transmission, but if I do the research, I know I can do it. So but yeah, that's where I am right now. It was a pretty easy pull. Wasn't bad, but yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of let you guys watch me take these accessories off. It looks like all the bolts for the accessories are going to be a 13 mil.